Do you know you can host a website completely for free? Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to Code My Hobby. I produce daily videos based around programming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Smash that subscribe button if that sounds interesting to you. Today, we are going to be hosting this website for free, and I'm going to be guiding you through all the steps to hosting this website for free. Now, if you want to figure out how to make this website, I have a tutorial on how to build this website completely from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. Now, the link is going to be in the description below, and also if you need to get the source code, the link is also in the description below. Now, I want to thank you guys for getting to 500 subscribers. That's a huge one for me. Thank you guys so much. I promise to keep producing excellent videos on websites. Our 100 days of code challenge is still on, so get involved and let's host this website. So the website we're going to be, the hosting site we're going to be using for this tutorial is Netlify. So go to netlify.com. Now, if you don't have an account with Netlify, you want to create an account by signing up. Do that real quick. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. Now I'm logging into my account, so you can see it's loading. Now this is my account. Now this might be empty for you guys because you haven't hosted anything yet, so don't be scared. So you can actually host things from your GitHub page, and you can also host things on the Netlify by dragging your folder. So now how do we host it now? As you can see over these tabs here, we want to go to sites. Now, so what happens here is that you're going to drop your folder into this section over here. So I'm in my file right now. So here's the folder. Now you want to make sure the home page or whatever you want to host, you want to make sure it starts with index.html. No matter what you are doing, it must start with index.html. So far it's an HTML document. The first home page or whatever you're doing must start with index.html. Now the other ones can have about.html, contact.html, blah blah blah, but the home page must be index.html. So that's one thing we don't want to mess up. Now the second thing is that you need to have all your files in place. Now you can see the images we use for the website, everything is in place over here. Now, so the next thing is to drag our folder and deploy it over here. That easy. So as you can see, our website has been deployed, but the domain name is not looking nice at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to domain settings, scroll down. Now you can see the domain name. Don't click add custom domain because this is going to be a paid domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the options, edit site name. So we want to give this Explorer. So let me save this. Okay, the name has been taken. Explorer, or should I say, let's try travel. Let's try traveling. Name has been taken. Okay, let's just say practice. Name has been taken again. So I'm just going to give this a random name of first site. So let's change this to first site. The name has been taken, Okay, let's say first site 101. So when we click this, it should take us to our website. So drum roll. Now let's check our website. So as you can see, our website is officially online. You can see the domain name. It says first site 101.netlify.app. Since we're using the free version of Netlify, so you can see our website is online. It's up and running. You can check it on your phone. The link to this site is going to be in the description below. So there's how to host a website completely for free. You don't need to pay anything except you want to add your own custom domain. So you can see here, this is really fun. Now what Netlify did is that they made a developer's job quite easy. So before you actually make a website for a client, they can host it over on Netlify. You can use Netlify to test some things on your website, some functions, to make sure it's in order. Now this is a really cool feature of Netlify. Big shout out to Netlify. Although they're not sponsoring this video, but they make our lives easier as developers. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.